Okay guys, so this is my Gatorade mix that I made using the Gatorade powder. And we're gonna check whether salt helps it boil faster or if it makes it slower. So I'm going to add to this one. And then I'll add some to the other one. Okay, so now I'm going to add my salt. I'm going to add salt to this one. Okay, that's too much. Okay. Anyways. Okay, so now I'm going to boil them. Okay, yeah. Okay, so now the one without the salt is at a full boil, while the one with the salt has not started boiling yet, or is barely boiling. This is because the salt increases the boiling temperature, meaning that it boils slower. Okay, so for the second part, we'll be doing the freezing points of Gatorade with salt and without salt. So the one in purple has salt in it, and the one in orange has nothing in it. So I'm gonna put Gatorade in the first one. Okay. And I'm gonna put Gatorade in the second one. Okay, so like this and this. And then okay, so I have put both the cups inside of the freezer. The orange one having no salt, while the purple one having salt. The orange one should freeze faster because the freezing temperature is higher, which means that it will freeze faster. Okay, so I've just taken both of them out of the freezer, and it looks like the one without the salt, the orange one, has now frozen. Yet the one with the salt has not even crystallized. Okay, so this proves that salt decreases the freezing temperature, meaning that it takes longer for it to freeze. Okay, so I will be adding orange juice to both of these containers to see if adding salt will make it boil faster or slower. Okay, and now I will add my salt to this one. Okay, and now I'll let it boil. As you can see, the one without the salt is now boiling because the boiling point is lower than the one with the salt. Purple one having the salt and orange one with nothing. So, okay, so I added the orange juice to the salt. And the other one, nothing, just orange juice. And I'll go freeze them. Both the cups are in the freezer now, and the one in the orange cup should freeze faster because there is no salt, and the freezing point is lower than the one in the purple cup because the purple one has salt. Okay, so as you can see, the one on the left is frozen now, well, partially frozen, while the one on the right is not frozen at all. As you can see, it's still straight liquid, and this one's more frozen. That's because the freezing temperature on the orange cup was lower than the freezing temperature on this one, which we added salt to.